Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So apple cider vinegar is not just meant for your body or your weight, but it is great for your skin and your hair as well. And it's not until recently that brands have identified the importance of using apple cider vinegar in their skincare and their hair care products, and now they have dedicated ranges specially meant for the apple cider vinegar. And it has been found that these products which are rich in apple cider vinegar have helped people get rid of their acne, pimples, scars. It helps maintain the pH balance of the skin and a lot other benefits. And in today's video I'll be reviewing one such apple cider vinegar range. It's by this brand called the Wow Skin Science, and I'll be reviewing 3 of their products in this video. The first one is their apple cider vinegar face wash. The second product is their 10-in-1 Miracle Mist apple cider vinegar toner. It's both for your skin and your hair. And the third product is the face moisturizer. Before we dive into the video, if you guys are new to my channel, then I'm Dhruva Gandhi. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and sometimes travel as well. And I do a lot of product review videos and comparison videos as well. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing and also like this video, share it, press that little bell icon, and without further ado, let's quickly dive in. Also, before we dive in or jump into the review part, I'll first like to tell you that I have personally tried and have been using these products for the past 1 week, and only then I'm filming this review video. So the first product, like I said, is their apple cider vinegar face wash. So this is how the face wash looks like. It's a 100 ml tube and it's priced at rupees 249. Now what this face wash typically does is it will not just help you attain a glowing skin, but it will more importantly help your skin restore its balance. Now by that I mean that since apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, it will help your skin maintain a pH level balance, and which in turn will result in a reduction in acne, pimples and give you a clear glowing skin. Now this face wash can be used by anybody. I mean, if you have oily skin or if you have dry skin, it doesn't matter. It can be used by people having all skin types. So the ingredients of the apple cider vinegar face wash is that first it has apple cider vinegar, obviously. It has aloe leaf extract. It has hyaluronic acid and it has provitamin B5. This face wash is again free from parabens, sulfate, it has no silicones and it has no color in it. So it's transparent in texture, and like I said, the main properties or the 3 important properties that the face wash has is that it gently cleanses. It's very light or mild on your face. It helps balance skin oils and it helps restore the healthy pH. So I have been using this face wash for a while now, and I'm really happy how it works with my skin. Also guys, if you want to purchase any of these products, I have mentioned all the product links in the description box below. Wow Skin Science also has a mobile application from which you can very easily browse through their entire range of products for hair and skin, and you can order it for yourself. One more thing I'd like to add here is that all of their products have a QR code or a golden sticker like this. So if you want to check the authenticity of these products, if you're ordering it online from any of the websites, then all you have to do is simply scan this code and you will get to check the authenticity of their products. Now the second product is in fact my favorite product from the entire range, and it is their 10-in-1 Miracle Mist Tonic. Now this product is my favorite because you can use it either on your skin or your hair, and in fact there are multiple uses in which you can use this product, and that is why it's my favorite. Now talking about some key highlights of the product is that it will cleanse, tone, balance and hydrate your skin. It helps reduce acne on your skin and dandruff in your scalp, and it removes scalp buildups and boosts hair gloss. So it comes in this box. In fact, all of their products come in an outer box, which I have somehow misplaced, but I have kept this one because it had mentioned all the different uses in which you can use this toner. So I'll quickly tell you all the 5 ways in which you can use this mist tonic. So the first one is that you can use it to cleanse your face. So you can basically use it as a spray mist, a face mist, which you can spray all over your face and gently wipe it off with a cotton ball. The second use is that you can use it as a toner to tone and balance your facial skin. So you have to spray the mist all over your cleansed face, let it dry naturally, and then you can follow up with a sunscreen or a moisturizer. The third way in which you can use the tonic is just to spray the mist directly on your face to freshen up any time of the day, and do not rinse it off. Just use it as a face mist and just let it sit on your face to just freshen up. Fourth way in which you can use the tonic is to boost hair gloss. So you can spray it all over your hair and your scalp after rinsing off shampoo. Massage scalp lightly with fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash off using plain water. You can do this twice a week to keep your hair smooth and glossy. And the fifth way in which you can use this is to remove scalp buildups and check dandruff. For that, you have to spray all over your scalp and your hair, massage well with fingertips, let it sit for 30 minutes and then shampoo your hair as usual. So these are all the different ways in which you can use this mist tonic, and I feel that's great. This is a 200 ml packing priced at ₹400. You can order it from their website. I'll leave a link in the description. You can order it from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. It's available everywhere. Again, this product is free from paraben, sulfate and silicone, and I feel that you should definitely give this product a try. It's my favorite and I'm sure you guys will love it too. The last product is their face moisturizer from the apple cider vinegar range. So this is an organic certified Himalayan apple cider vinegar, hyaluronic acid and beetroot extract face moisturizer. It has no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil and no color. It helps prevent oiliness and it hydrates your skin. It's again a 100 ml tube and it's priced at ₹250. Keeps the pores of your skin clean. It controls production of extra sebum. It fights skin damage due to radicals and it improves the texture of the skin. And honestly, this is the only moisturizer that I've been using since the past week, and I absolutely love how it makes my skin feel. About the video. I feel that you should definitely give the apple cider vinegar range a try because it works wonders for your skin. Yeah, that's all about the video. I really hope that you find this video useful, and if you want me to review any other brands or any other products, let me know in the description box below. Currently I'm honestly trying the Wow Skin Science hair care range, and I'm trying a lot of different products, and after I'm done trying them for around 2 weeks, I will be posting a review video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't watched my previous video, it was about I reviewed the anti-acne range by Wow Skin Science, so I'll leave a card over here so that you can check that out. And you can even watch my other skincare or beauty review videos. I leave the cards in the description box or somewhere over here. You can check the entire playlist out. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, press that bell icon, and I'll see you another time. Till then, bye.